This dad's gonna build a wooden Bugatti for his boy. Well, first this badass dad makes the body of the car, starting with the undercarriage. With the help of these gears, this car is gonna go fast as lightning. Now he gets working on the wheels. Once the details have been added, he attaches them to the body. This looks fun. Then he gets working on the rest of the car. He covers the engine up now. The outcome is going to be crazy amazing. Looks like it's time to shape this wood up and make it look like an actual Bugatti.